I remember building a skill for writing in my own voice and tone so that I could like use AI's help to craft emails or posts. Just can't find it. So I figured I might as well go and build a new one now. Capabilities? Where did it go? Oh, skills. They've gone to customize. Okay, it's a new one. I will just start with plus. Create with Claude. Perfect. It says, let's create a skill together using your skill, create a skill. First, ask me what the skill should do. It's a great way to get it going. It'll read its own skill, create a skill, and soon, hopefully, respond. Hmm. I want to give you samples of my previous writing. Then I want you to create a skill which asks me things like where, what format are you writing for? Email, LinkedIn, the two popular ones. Actually, when it's a skill, I want to be able to give my samples then. Ask me to share samples with you or tell me where to upload them at setup time, I guess. And once that's done, generate posts, emails, etc. And based on my editing, keep updating skills on what I want added, what I didn't want at all, something else like, I think this should be fine. Let's see what it says. It has more questions for me. Before I draft it, let me ask you a few things to nail it down. All right, LinkedIn. All right, internal and team, Substack, and threads. Not so much YouTube, this thing. Okay. How granular should the feedback loop be? Hmm, yeah, actually, I think freeform. Yeah, I want to paste for now and file upload later. It's a mix. Maybe I change my mind. Let's see. Yes, describing what's coming in the next para. M dashes. Everyone hits them. Uh, buzzwords that sound gimmicky when read. I definitely don't like to start a sentence. Honestly, in my understanding, let's see what it does there. Wow, it calls it a solid foundation. It's Akash's voice. I have a skill now. Nice. I'm skillful in voicing my opinion. Those of you who follow me on LinkedIn already know that. So now you'll be subjected to my Akash voice AI slop. But I do promise I will keep adding value. There's like an exciting world of AI in front of us, and I will keep trying out things and sharing with you all. So thumbs up for that. Ooh, done. It's packaging it. Nice. Non-negotiables baked in. Why can't I just put it in the right place? Okay. Oh, there is a way to do this. There's a learn style profile section, grows over time. Once a pattern shows up 3 plus time, it graduates to non-negotiable. Oh, nice. Oh, it created like a ladder. Nice. To get you started using it, first thing you do is paste 2, 3 examples, a post, and I will extract your patterns. Want to do that right now, the test run. You know what? I will do that, but now you know how to easily create a skill. And you guys should do this. It's fun. Bye.